Hey, and welcome to our new SMS Bump video. Today you'll learn about one of the most important things you need for building a successful SMS marketing strategy: growing your SMS subscriber list. There are 5 different ways you can do that with SMS Bump and Shopify, so let's get into the first one. This was also covered in our previous onboarding video. It's the marketing consent checkbox in your checkout. Go to the best practices section in the app and copy this line of text. Now, go to your Shopify store settings, checkout, and scroll down. First, set your shipping address phone number to optional. Next, make sure the marketing consent checkbox is enabled but not pre-selected by default. Finally, go to the checkout languages and search for the phrase checkout marketing. Paste the text from your best practices here. It should look just like that. And that's it. Click Save and your Shopify checkout is now ready to start making you new SMS subscribers. This is the field you just modified, and this is the shipping address phone number field. Step 1 is complete. Step 2, designing your subscription form. There's a new section in SMS Bump called Growth Tools, and it's exactly about growing your SMS subscriber lists so you can reach more customers with your text messages. Let's show you the form editor. You got 3 types of forms: a floating button that triggers a sign-up form, a pop-up form, and an embedded form. Let's go with the pop-up for now. This is how a standard form looks like. You can preview it on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Now, click Pop-up Theme in the editor menu on the left to choose your pop-up template. Select the one you like and customize the images. You can upload a landscape image for the desktop pop-up and portrait image for the mobile pop-ups, so there's no issues with the scaling of the images. Adjust the overlay opacity behind the pop-up and you're ready to continue. The next editor menu lets you customize the colors inside the pop-up. Make sure your colors pop considering the image in the background and that your button color matches your Shopify website design. Next, the fonts and pop-up content. You can change the text of the title, subtitle, and descriptions and select the font you want to use for consistency with your brand fonts. Choose the font weight and modify the size for all the texts inside the pop-up. You're almost ready. Next is the opt-in method and the confirmation text message your customers will receive when they sign up. Customize the text message to match your brand tone and configure a small discount from your Shopify discounts to insert in the message and give customers an instant reason to make a purchase. Next, enable or disable the country selection and the consent checkbox based on your preferences. Finally, set up the way your pop-up will work. The timing settings let you show it immediately or set a delay. In our example, we will use this as an exit pop-up to catch customers who are trying to leave our website. You can choose to display the pop-up just on desktop, mobile, or all devices. At the bottom, you can select to display the pop-up only for specific regions such as the US and Canada, or the European Union. Now that our pop-up is ready, let's head to the storefront. As we try to exit the site, we see the form appear, so we can now enter a phone number and subscribe. Awesome! Let's continue to step 3, SMS Keywords. A lot of Shopify stores are using the keywords to engage customers with social media banners, email campaigns, and much more. It's simple. You get a keyword and promote it to customers so they can text it to a number and opt in for your deals and discounts. Let's show you how to do this. Go to the Keywords section and click on Create New Keyword. Enter the keyword you want to get, for example, shoes. In case it's currently taken, try adding a number or choosing a different keyword. The best course of action here is to create a keyword that's going to be as relevant as possible to the subscriber list and promotion you're running. For instance, you have a sale on all new arrivals in your shoe collection. Enter the number of texts your customers can expect per month, choose the list you want to subscribe them to, and get your keyword. Now you can blast out a text marketing campaign to your current subscribers and invite them to text back the keyword to get subscribed to the contact list you selected. After that, you can prepare another campaign that's going to send them the special discount of 20% off your new arrivals and watch the sales grow. This is a powerful way to build contact lists of targeted customers who have expressed desire in a specific product or promotion. Then, the only thing you need to do to convert them is to send them a simple text message with your offer. Okay, let's continue to step 4, converting your email marketing subscribers to SMS contacts. Now, you can easily build an email newsletter to send to your current subscribers with a link that will lead them to a page in your store where they can enter their phone number and become an SMS subscriber. Start with one of the 5 email templates we've designed or go with your own design. It's up to you. Give your email a relevant subject line so your subscribers know from the get-go that you're inviting them to subscribe with their phone numbers. You can also make changes to the content inside the email templates provided. Finally, choose the subscriber list you want to populate with phone numbers from your email contact list and schedule your campaign. That's it. Final step, generate a link to a subscription page. This is also one of the newest features in SMSBump that lets you create a link for a subscription page for each of your SMS contact lists. Simply select the subscriber list you want to fill with contacts, give the page a relevant SEO URL, and hit the Create Link button. You will be able to preview the page by opening the link, and you can start sharing it in various locations around the web, such as social media, email campaigns, messaging platforms, and any other way you keep in touch with your customers. So, this is it. You now know the 5 different ways you can grow your subscriber lists in SMSBump. The text marketing list comes predefined in your app, and it's the default list where all your contacts will go, but you can create your own lists for each specific campaign or promotion. This is it for now. Let us know if you have any questions down in the comments, and hit the like button if this video was useful for you. Subscribe to our channel for more upcoming SMS marketing guides, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.